What's going on, everyone? We're in my hometown of Ipswich in Queensland, Australia, and tonight is the Australia Day Ipswich Lapz. So sit back, relax, enjoy. We'll hopefully meet some characters and see some nice cars. G'day everyone, we're down here at the Australia Day Ipswich Lapz 2026, and as you can see behind us, we've got a lot of beautiful cars coming by. I'm here with Councillor Martin from the Ipswich City Council.
How you going, viewers?
You're a big supporter of the local car scene, I've noticed.
Absolutely, yeah, I love it. So good for business. Love looking at how many people are in town. You know?
Yep. So how long have you been councillor for the Ipswich City Council, and how long have you been supporting the local motorsport?
Oh,
should I say car enthusiasts and motorsport?
Yeah, we've been in council just over 12 months.
Yep.
Motor cars and enthusiasts, like our city's based on that. You know, we had a lapping culture back in the day.
Yep.
Probably did a few laps back
when I was in high school. Yep.
There you go. Yeah.
Back when you were a teacher at the high school I went to.
Yeah.
So yeah, a big local scene here. As you can see, lots of beautiful cars and nice and loud. So this weekend, it's a big weekend for motorsport in Ipswich. We've got the nitro drags, we've got roll racing tonight out at QR, we've got laps.
Yeah.
And so yeah, it's a big one. Is this part of the Ipswich Motor Festival I noticed that they put on?
Nah, this isn't part of it, unfortunately, no, because there's no parameters with this.
Yep.
This is just public access, public street, so anyone can come here. As you can see, you get some great cars like Hardtop GT, and then you get someone driving in a Dad Duke. So.
And then I saw somebody actually brought their, I think it was a Kenworth out.
Yes.
It was beautiful. You know, it was well polished up too.
Very well.
So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for the chat.
Thanks so much.
If you guys are in the Ipswich area, keep an eye out, keep tabs on the socials. There's usually something on with the car community locally, so it's always good to check out, whether it's a car meet or it's Lapz night or something out at the racetrack, because we've got the, what do they call it, the Willowbank Motorsport Precinct.
Willowbank Motorsport Precinct.
And yeah, so we've got Queensland Raceway down there, we've got Willowbank Dragway, we've got an autocross circuit, there's a karting centre, and there's even a burnout pad. So yeah, if you're in the area, definitely come and check it out. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the shot.
Yeah.
Thanks again.
So if you want to know what goes on, there's usually 5 of these events a year. So if you follow Dave Martin Ipswich Facebook page, always post it. Posted before, put some pics up of the night.
Yeah.
So great night. Some great cars here, and people just eating, having a good time. So good. So thanks so much for your time.
Have a good one. jump on board a car. We're with Karen from Westside Cars and Cruising. Say good day, Karen.
How's it going?
I went to a car meet in Sunnybank with them. You might have seen some of the footage already on the channel. So we're going to go for a lap for Ipswich Lapz. And you get to see it from inside the car. Oh, we got a Bag Chevrolet. And if you haven't put two and two together, we are in a Stitch car. We got Stitch on the bonnet there. And see if I can get a good shot. Yeah, excuse the rough camera work. I don't have my gimbal with me.
Very slow going.
It is very slow going. So, you were mentioning before, Karen, that you like this car because it links up kids with the car community, and it shows that to girls that they can be part of the car community too, and they don't need a big thumping V8. So what kind of drove you to take on that aspect with the car?
I just think being older, you need good role models in the car community and people that are going to show you can have whatever you want and it doesn't matter. You buy your car for yourself, not for everybody else. So if you love it, you drive it, and girls can have fast cars. A lot of misconception is only guys can drive, but girls can too.
It's good to see that there's more women being represented in motorsport as well.
Most definitely, and we've got to foster the new generation of car people as well, otherwise it's just not going to continue to grow like it is.
Especially nowadays when it's not too much of a stretch to get a car from Japan or a car from the US, because a lot of them are brought over already.
Yeah, it's a lot easier these days to get cars from Japanese and import, which is good to see. They got some beautiful cars over there that are so easy to get in. Thank you.
So as you can see, the Stitch WRX is pretty well got a nice. The Stitch car's definitely got a nice fan base with it.
Yeah, it does. It's a bit well known in Ipswich.
So what's the next big event for you this year?
We have our Westside Cars and Cruising. We're going to do a cruise out through Laidley, Gatton to Toowoomba.
And if people want to get involved, where do they go?
Yeah, if they jump onto the Facebook group Westside Cars and Cruising, or our Instagram page Westside Cars and Cruising as well.
Well, there you go, folks.
Yeah.
If you want to get involved and you're local to the Brisbane area, what's the date?
7th of February, we'll be leaving Costco at Baval. We're going to meet at the service station across from Costco, and we'll be leaving at about 8:30 in the morning, and we'll end up at Plainlands for lunch.
Yeah, you want in on it, go hit up the Facebook or the Instagram and find out the deets and get amongst it. The more the merrier, isn't it?
That's it. All the event details are on there. Just not recommended for super low cars because it is country roads that we're going on.
I tell you what though, it's nice and relaxing cruising along here because no one's trying to push you, everyone's just rolling as well. You come down here during peak hour and it's just chaos. As you might have heard there, there's more support for the Stitch WRX. So how long have you had the WRX?
We brought it February 23, so it was our honeymoon present. Instead of going on a honeymoon, we brought the car and then we've done it up. So we've had it about 18 months.
And Mick's red one?
We got it about 6 months after we got Stitch.
Nice.
Because we didn't want to share.
And then, that way there's no fights about who curved the wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, everybody, cars of all sorts, and I'm hoping that the mics are picking me up well. It looks like they are. Martin again, having a yarn with another local. As you guys can see, there's it's good to see so many people along the roadside watching. So it's fairly well promoted considering.
Oh, it is, and it's so great for the local businesses too. They're so busy, get a lot more foot traffic in. Like you can see, the ice creamery's full. He's a good man to organise it and put it on.
So who organises it?
David Hill, I think, and he goes in conjunction with the councillor, and they talk to local council and all that sort of stuff and organise it.
Oh, we're dragging the chrome on the ground. And there's more people up there on the hill. Yeah, it's pretty much just a nice cruise down Brisbane Road. People come out and support. I haven't seen anybody doing any naughty shenanigans this time around, which is good. I think the band hammer was thrown. Last time they had laps on, there was a lot of people doing silly things. I saw on Facebook.
Yeah, they've cracked down a lot, which is good to see, because there's families on the side. You don't want kids getting injured because somebody wants to do a burnout.
Yeah, I mean, we've got Queensland Raceway 15 minutes down the road, so you know, if you want to do stuff, there's a burnout pad down there.
That's right.
But they've really done well with the decor for Brisbane Road too, with all the lights and the trees.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Some of the photos I've seen with the lights above the cars.
But again, this is the Australia Day Ipswich Lapz. And now we're getting to see a lot of people. There's people on both sides. Just goes to show that there's plenty of support for the car enthusiast community in Ipswich, which is good with the racetracks so close.
Definitely.
But anyways, that's pretty much the route. So the enthusiast car community is alive and well at Ipswich, and if you need any more validation of that, definitely come down to an Ipswich Lapz night, 5 times a year, as Councillor Martin said earlier. And yeah, you might get to see some beautiful cars like these.